Stage is hotter than the sun.
She can sing.
Oh my God.
We're gonna bring Auntie Beverly up to the stage, and Auntie, we'd like to hear your beautiful voice. Sing us a song, please. We let you rest for a little bit. Cardio. This is called Kupuna cardio. Dance a hula. You know. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to welcome to the stage Auntie Beverly Apana. Oh, Mura Oka, Kalamai. I can forget Uncle.
I was minding my own business. No, she knows. Yeah? But I'm gonna do this and then you're gonna take over. He asked me if I'm Mele, but that's his cousin's forte. But you know what? It's been a joy being here. How about a big hand for the committee, and especially Auntie Elsie Ryder and Hello Kupuna Okala and all the Nahalo that have given all their love and support. So, in the love of hula, as Paul Maikai said, whew, you know, 2 for me is more than what the doctor ordered. Thank you. So I think this is a mele hula that everybody should come together. All right, everybody hit it. Kuiluna, up on the lawn, please. You want to pick it up? All right, let's pick it up.
You know this one, Dave?
Everybody, don't walk like Molokai, run! All right, from the top. Where's Auntie Opulani?
Boy, she has a voice too.
I love some of your lollies, you know. I love you on your cookie. Oh love brings all of us together from around the world. To Kapiko Hula Molokai. Mahalo, mahalo anui loa. Thank you. We welcome back our beautiful Mandy Pomaikai Keawe Lyman to the stage. And she's going to do a melody that her grandmother recorded. Papasia,